Look at what I'm bringing you today. Oh, I'm excited about this car. What a beauty. This is a highly sought after, very rare E-Code car. But let's back up. 1957 Thunderbird, they made 21,380 of these cars. As an E-Code, that's a 312 with a dual carb setup from the factory. They made 1,499. That is it. Now let's make that number smaller. How about ZZ Code Coral Sand? That number got real small real quick. Now let's start adding in the factory options for the car. It has the powered steering, it has the powered brakes, telescoping wheel, and get this, it came with the seat belts. It checked all those boxes. Start adding in all the options and you have an extremely rare collectible car. Now, this is a full frame off build. Every nut and bolt is done. This is a rotisserie body, which means all of your pans, fender wells, everything are this beautiful coral sand. The frame has been done, powder coated in a gloss black. Every nut and washer on this car is perfect. There is nothing that doesn't work. Everything is done to that high standard and it is ready for you. Even has the proper wheels. It has it all. Now, I can't tell you everything because we don't have enough time, so we're going to get to the video. I know you're going to have questions on this car. Feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you about it, or better yet, stop in the showroom and let me show it to you. Put it on the rack. It is art underneath. I mean, it is gorgeous. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Remember, hit the subscribe button so I can continue to bring you these videos. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this beautiful 57. We're going to look at the heater controls. These all move very smoothly. The cables are very nice, being all new. Now we're going to do the air. See how there's a notch? Come to one spot, it'll stop. That is your fresh air. Then lift it up and then you slide over. You can hear the pop. Now you're into heat. Then just slide it over a little more and you're in defrost. Just like that. How to open up the outside vents. Just take this lever, pull it up, close it, push it down. These work very smooth. Now we're going to look at the passenger side vent. Just slide it up and slide it down. Something you should know about opening and closing the hood. When you pull this out to release, there's a spring and it should suck it all the way back in. But give it an extra push to make sure it goes all the way in. So when you're closing the hood, remember the latch is on the inside. Just place your hand here and give it a firm push down, deep enough for it to lock in. Okay. On the passenger side, just repeat the same process. Put your hand on the inside until you feel it click. I am going to show you a must-know on all Thunderbirds. By the radio is a courtesy light. See your dash lights. See your courtesy light. If you turn a courtesy light on, yes, it turns on your dash lights. Even with your dash lights, if you should happen to have the lights on or off, those are going to stay on if you have the courtesy light turned on. If you turn the courtesy light off, then the dash lights turn off. I know you're in love. I know it. This is just at that level. If you love the Thunderbirds, there's nothing about this car not to love. It has the right wheels. It is the E-Code. Every nut and bolt on this has been done. It is gorgeous. So, any other questions you have, I want you to feel free to talk to me. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.